呢篇咧講大學嘅學費嘅，University tuition fees in England to rise with inflation every year from 2026。咁咧呢度話咧喺英格蘭嘅大學學費咧，tuition fees 就係大學嘅學費啦。咁咧就會自2026年起咧，係隨住呢個通脹每一年嘅通脹咧就會增加，rise with inflation every year。inflation 係通脹啊。咁呢個佢冇講，佢主要係講翻啲本地嘅學生嘅，佢冇講話冇講到國際學生個收費係點樣。咁樣就 University tuition fees in England will increase a year in line with inflation from 2026 onwards。咁其實好似標題咁講咧，佢話由2026年開始咧，咁每一年咧隨住通脹咧 in line with 咧就跟住通脹咁解啦。咁英格蘭嘅大學學費咧就會係每一年都增加。The government has announced， 咁咧政府咧係宣布咗呢一件事。Phillipson confirmed the increase for the next 2 years and promised legislation which would make it happen automatically every year after that。咁咧佢咧呢個教育大臣咧 Education Secretary 就叫做 Bridget Phillipson 咧，佢咧就確定咗咧話咧嚟緊嗰2年咧就已經係會有增加㗎啦，同埋咧佢咧係承諾就會立法啦 legislation 咧就會令到咧之後嘅每一年啊 ，every year after that， 咁咧自動咧呢一個增加咧都會發生嘅 ，automatically 咧係自動咁解嚇。Maintenance loans will also increase yearly in line with inflation。咁咧你加學費啦，咁可能另一方面咧，啲人會諗咁學生嘅負擔又點啊？咁佢咧就話咧 ，maintenance loans，maintenance 咧就好似啲生活開支咁樣，即係你點樣可以維繫到你嘅生活啦？咁咧就呢度唔係解維修啊，即係保養啊咁啊，即係你一個人生活上嘅 maintenance， 你點樣去 maintain 你嘅生活咧？咁係咁樣嘅意思。loans 咧係貸款啊，咁啊即係生活費嘅貸款咧，亦都會隨住呢個 inflation 通脹咧就會增加。Speaking in Parliament, Phillipson said charging full fees will be conditional on high quality teaching, and that only those universities providing strong outcomes for students would be able to charge the maximum fees。咁咧呢度我估佢嘅意思咧係話咧，雖然話學費係有增加，咁但係咧有一個學費嘅 maximum fee， 一個最高嘅收費咧，唔係話每一間大學咧話想收就收啊，咁咧都要睇翻咧。佢呢度咧就話啦，阿 Phillipson 咧佢喺國會嗰度咁樣講啦，佢話咧如果你要收取呢個 full fees 嘅話咧，就會係 conditional on 係取決於咧要睇翻咧究竟咧間大學咧係咪有一啲高質素嘅教學啊 ，high quality teaching， 咁同埋咧只係嗰一啲咧可以提供到為學生提供到一啲好好嘅嘅結果，即係可以做出一啲成果出嚟嘅大學咧，佢咧先至可以咧 charge 呢一個 maximum fees 嘅嚇。咁佢再落去咧就咁講啦，問呢一篇文話 Universities which fall below the quality threshold set by the regulator in England, the Office for Students, will not be able to charge the new maximum and risk having a cap imposed on the number of students they can recruit。咁佢話咧，除咗唔可以即係收呢個最高嘅學費之外咧，其實仲有另外一啲嘅後果嘅。咁佢就咁講，佢話咧因為咧有一個喺英格蘭嘅監管商咧 regulator in England， 咁個監管商咧叫做 Office for Students， 咁咧就 好似叫學生事務所咁啦。咁呢個學生事務所咧，佢哋咧會訂立一啲嘅標準嘅。咁佢話咧，如果啲大學咧佢係跌到低過呢個 quality threshold，係一個品質嘅門檻啊。咁呢個監管機構定嘅品質門檻咧，咁佢咧其實咧係唔可以收取呢一個新嘅最高學費。仲另外咧，佢話咧會 risk having a cap imposed on the number of students。咁佢話咧仲可能咧會有一個危機啊。咁咧呢一個危機咧就係咧就可能咧俾人哋咧就附加一個即係上限啊，一個 cap cap 咧係一個上限。一個上限係咩咧？就係咧佢哋可以 recruit， 即係可以招收嘅學生人數啊 ，number of students 啊。咁佢話 having a cap imposed on the number of students they can recruit。咁唔單止唔可以收最高嘅學費咧，仲咧喺個學生人數嗰度咧就會俾個上限俾佢。Tuition fees in England this academic year are £9,535, having increased for the first time in more than a decade last year。咁佢話咧，學費喺英格蘭嘅學費呢一個學期咧，呢個學年咧 academic year 就係咧9535磅。咁佢話其實咧已經係咧舊年咧係第一次咧係超過10年超過10年咧係第一次增加嚇。佢話咧 more than a decade 咧就係咧多過10年咧係 for the first time 第一次咧係增加。decade 咧係10年咁解嚇 ，DECADE 嗰個嚇。The inflation measure used the retail price index minus mortgage payments or RPIX is likely to be the one used for future increases。咁佢咧就話咧呢一個呢個叫做個通脹嘅計算咧，佢咧就係點樣計法咧？就係咧呢一個 retail index 一個消費物價指數咧，再減咗 mortgage payments， 再減咗咧房屋貸款嘅付出即係嘅開支。咁咧就佢呢一個嘅呢個嘅 index 咧就亦都有人叫做咧 RPIX 嘅。咁佢話呢一個嘅計算方法咧，就好可能咧多數咧都會用喺未來學費增加嘅嗰個計算嗰度。That inflation rate is likely to fluctuate before next year's increase, so it is not yet clear what fees students starting university in 2026 will be charged。咁佢話咧，因為咧通脹嘅嗰一個幅度啊，嗰個百分比咧係好可能咧就係會波動嘅 ，fluctuate 咧係波動嚇喺。出年嘅加學費之前咧，呢一個通脹嘅率咧，好可能咧會再波動，所以咧其實咧就唔清楚咧喺下年進入大學，下年2026年進入大學嘅學生咧，究竟咧係會被收一個咩嘅學費？呢一個咧就仲未清楚嘅，係 not yet clear。If it was done at the current rate, fees would rise by approximately £400 a year to over £9,900。咁佢話咧，如果係根據現有嘅嗰一個通脹率咧，咁佢話咧學費咧就應該咧大約咧一年係增加400磅嘅。approximately 咧係大約咁解。咁增加咗之後咧就去到咧超過9900磅。Universities UK, which represents 141 universities, said the plans for a much-needed reset for our university system. 咁有一個機構，有一個組織咧，叫 Universities UK，即係英國大學嘅機構咧。咁佢咧係代表咗141間大學嘅。佢話咧呢一個計劃咧，其實咧係可以提供到一個咧係非常之即係點啊？需要即係大學非常之需要嘅一個重整啊！即係對呢個大學嘅系統，所以佢哋即係佢嘅意思咧，即係咧佢哋咧係歡迎即係政府呢一個講話每一年都自動會有學費增加嚇。咁佢就講啦，It makes clear that universities are a huge national asset, right wide around the 咁佢話咧呢一個咧就好清楚咧，令人哋咧好清楚知道咧，英國嘅大學咧係一個好龐大嘅國家寶庫，一個國家財富嚇。其實咧，亦都係咧好適切地咧，係全世界嘅人咧都係好傾慕嘅嚇。一個 huge national asset，一個龐大嘅國家寶庫嚇，一個國家財產。rightly 咧就好適切地啦，被人哋好仰慕嘅，好 admired 咁樣嚇。We need them to be in great shape if we want national renewal, Chief Executive Vivian Stern said。咁呢一個咧，佢哋個執行官啦，個組織嘅 Chief Executive 咧，叫做 Vivian Stern 咧，咁佢就咁講，佢話我哋咧係需要啲大學咧係即係一個好好嘅狀態啊，in great shape。如果我哋係需要一個全國性嘅整頓啊，一個好似即係要佢翻新啊、更新咁 renewal。Raising fees in line with inflation will help to halt the long-term erosion of universities' financial sustainability following a decade of fee freezes. Fee freezes, she added。咁佢話咧，如果跟住通脹咁樣去加學費咧，其實咧係可以幫助到啲大學咧停止啊，halt halt 咧係停止一個咧已經係好長期嘅侵蝕啊 long-term erosion。侵蝕啲咩咧？就係咧大學佢本身嘅財務嘅長遠嘅叫做咩咧？可以sustainability 係令到佢哋可以長遠咁樣去維持到咁嘅意思。我諗唔起個中文叫做咩嚇。咁即係咁樣咧，就令到佢哋咧財務上咧就可以即係即係點啊？長期係會穩健一啲咁嘅意思啦。佢哋個 financial sustainability 嚇，咁咧就同埋咧，佢哋其實咧已經係超過有10年，有一個 decade 咧，佢哋嘅學費咧係 freeze 咗嘅，係已經係凍結咗。所以而家俾佢哋增加咧，係其實咧係可以幫助到佢哋咧，可以停止到呢一個好長遠嘅侵蝕嘅啊。But University and College Union General Secretary Joe Grady said the government had doubled down on the disastrous tuition fees funding model, which created the crisis the sector is currently facing。咁另外有個組織咧叫大學同埋學院聯盟啦 ，University and College Union。咁佢哋咧嗰個 General Secretary 咧就叫 Joe Grady。咁佢話咧，其實啊，而家大學佢哋承受緊嘅嗰一個危機咧，其實係因為政府咧，佢之前咧喺呢一個學費嘅資助模式嗰一度咧，其實係因為佢哋咧，即係雙倍咁加大力度咧，先令到咧佢哋咧有一個咁災難性嘅學費模式嘅嚇。但係我唔知佢之前做咗啲咩咧。佢呢度即係佢嘅意思就係話咧，而家大學嘅經費同埋即係學費嗰度係入不敷支嘅。其實咧政府咧係責無旁貸咁嘅意思。 The union published analysis earlier this month, which suggested universities had collectively announced more than 12,000 job cuts in the last year. 咁咧呢一個聯盟咧，佢咧其實咧係出版咗有一個分析嘅，有個 analysis。咁咧係喺今個月嘅早段時間咧，佢就出版咗呢個分析啦。咁嗰個分析報告咧就意味住咧，佢話咧喺裏邊咧，就意味住咧大學咧，其實咧佢哋已經係集體總共咧係宣布咗咧，佢哋咧喺已經係即係減少咗超過12000個職位㗎啦。Professor Ian Dunn, provost at Coventry University, said the proposed increases were a good thing for universities, but added that under no circumstances will this solve the problem. 咁咧，Ian Dunn 教授咧，佢咧就係 Coventry University 呢間大學嘅教務長啊。咁佢咧就話啦，建議嘅呢一啲嘅學費增加咧係好事嚟嘅，is a good thing。咁咧對大學嚟講係好事嚟嘅，但係佢話咧係 under no circumstances，其實咧係冇可能咧可以解決到個問題嘅。佢話唔可以 solve the problem。From a university perspective, it adds a little income, but will alleviate a little of the pressure, he said。咁佢話咧，從大學嘅角度睇啊 ，from 大學嘅 perspective 咧，佢係可以加到少少嘅收入但係咧同埋咧佢係可以咧緩和到alleviate 咧係緩和咁嘅，緩和到佢哋少少嘅壓力嘅。But it will not in itself solve the financial situation universities are in right now。咁佢話咧，但係咧，淨係呢一個嘅學費增加咧，係唔可以解決到咧大學佢而家咧係面對緊嘅財政狀況嘅。Coventry student Katie, who wants to be a teacher, says she finds her student learn daunting and that it is likely to always follow her。咁咧 Coventry 呢間大學嘅學生Katie 咧，佢咧好想做一個教師。咁跟住佢咧就話咧，佢咧就發現佢自己嘅學生貸款咧，好似冤鬼咁纏住佢嘅。daunting 咧係好似咧，哇！俾嗰樣嘢咧係困擾得好緊要咁解。咁同埋咧，佢亦都覺得咧呢一個學生貸款咧係會一路咁跟住佢嘅。佢話即係個意思即係話咧，佢永遠都還唔清呢啲學生貸款。I don't even think I'll be able to pay it off ever, she said。咁pay off 咧就即係還清啦。咁佢咧就再繼續講啦。我咧唔覺得咧，我咧係有能力咧係可以還清呢一啲嘅學生貸款嘅。It's not going to happen. I know it's not。咁佢話咧，我知道係冇可能會做得到嘅，冇可能會發生嘅。我知道係唔會。Overall, there is no limit on the number of university places in England, apart from for a handful of regulated courses like medicine。咁咧，其實整體嚟講咧，喺英格蘭嘅大學嘅學生數目咧，其實咧係冇一個限制嘅，係 no limit。咁咧就佢話除咗咧有幾個即係受規管嘅課程，例如咧好似醫科咁樣a handful of 咧就好似數埋一隻手都數得埋。佢話咁咧就呢一啲 regulated 嘅 courses， 即係受規管嘅課程咁佢話其實即係佢呢一個。就咧啲大學咧想收幾多學生都得嘅，因為係冇規管嘅，除咗有幾個即係受規管嘅課程以外咁To be able to charge maximum fees, universities will be assessed on the on the additional value they add to a student's academic journey。咁佢話咧，如果啲大學係想收最高嘅學費咧，大學咧佢哋咧就會被評核啦，assess 咧係佢哋會被評核啦。評核啲咩咧？就係咧睇下佢哋咧有冇俾到一啲額外嘅價值咧，係俾到啲學生喺佢哋學期嗰一度成個過地咧係會唔會有一啲更加多嘅得着啊？Although there are no details of how that would work in practice，雖然咧其實咧講就係咁講啦，就冇一啲細節咧係可以講到咧，其實咧實際上啊 in practice 咧係其實點樣可以實行到。Given the majority of students now graduate with either a first class degree or a 2-1，咁佢話咧其實咧有大部分嘅學生咧，佢而家咧佢哋畢業咧就已經咧係first class，我唔知佢嘅意思係咪講話，即係已經係好似考到 A 去到最高嘅成績，又或者咧係一個咧second class upper，即係去到最高嘅級別。佢講緊咧，即係啲學生咧，其實啲成績嘅評分咧已經係非常之高啊。Those standards are under consultation, and it's not clear when they will be introduced to replace the current teaching and excellence framework。佢話咧，其實咧呢一啲嘅標準咧，呢啲 standards 咧，其實咧而家咧係做緊一啲嘅諮詢嘅 under consultation，同埋咧係唔係好清楚咧係幾時咧佢先至係推出去咧，係會咧取代咗 replace 現有 current 嘅嗰一個嘅框架嘅嗰個 framework 係咩嘅框架咧？就係 teaching 同埋 excellence framework， 就係咧佢哋教學同埋咧優質嘅框架啊。A similar approach is already in place to measure the performance of the schools。佢話咧，其實有一個類似嘅做法咧，就已經咧係而家咧係執行緊嘅啦，係 in place， 係即係而家已經實行緊。咁咧就係去量度即係學校嘅表現啊 ，performance of schools。咁係點執行咧？就係 based on Year 6 Key Stage 2 tests and GCSE results, although it is not easy to understand or use by parents。咁呢個我完全唔明啦，我就照譯啦。咁佢話咧呢一個一個現有嘅制度咧，就係咧基於咧第6年 Year 6嘅 Key Stage 2 tests。咁呢個叫 SAT。佢話咧，其實但係咧，雖然其實咧啲父母咧，佢哋咧係唔係咁易咧係可以明白到同埋可以使用到呢一啲咁樣嘅評分標準啊！我唔明，我睇完我都唔知佢講乜啊。Details of the proposed maintenance grants for some students on some courses by the end of this parliament are not expected until the autumn budget on 26 November。咁佢咧話咧，頭先有講到咧，除咗交學費咧，仲有一啲咧生活嘅貸款啦。咁佢呢度咧就講話咧，對有一啲嘅學生，佢建議嘅生活嘅呢個唔係貸款啊，淨係好似獎學金，即係嘅一啲學金咁啊 ，maintenance grants 咁唔使還嘅呢啲。佢話咧就住有一啲嘅課程咧，佢話咧喺呢一個現有嘅嗰個國會年度完結之前咧，其實咧都預計咧係唔會可以即係出到呢一啲嘅細節啦。咁佢話咧就應該咧係are not expected until autumn budget on。佢話就應該咧係要直至到咧11月26號嘅嗰一個預算案嗰個秋季預算案咧，先至會啲嘅細節，就係關於咧呢個生活費嘅助學金。The government's Post-16 Skills and Higher Education White Paper also says that from autumn 2026, a new lifelong learning entitlement will open up tuition fee loans to anyone studying courses at the level equivalent to the first and second year of university. 咁咧呢度越嚟越多呢啲技術嘅字啊，我冇個背景啊，所以我就咁樣照我理解咁講咧。佢話個政府咧，佢哋咧有一個咧喺16歲以後嘅一啲技術同埋一啲高級教育嘅白皮書咧，佢喺裏邊咧就講到咧，佢話咧2020秋季之後咧，就會有一個咧叫 lifelong learning entitlement， 就係話咧你係有權咧就做一啲嘅終生嘅學習嘅。咁而呢一個計劃咧，就咧會你如果係做呢個終生學習嘅計劃裏邊咧，你咧其實咧都可以申請一啲嘅學費嘅貸款嘅。咁而呢一啲人咧，佢咧只係咧。如果佢係報讀一啲咧係等同於 equivalent， 佢話咧嗰一個係咧係嗰啲課程係等同於大學嘅第一年同埋第二年嘅課程咧，佢哋咧就合資格咧就可以申請一啲學費嘅貸款啦。There is an expectation from government that universities will collaborate with further education colleges to make it easier for students to move from one to another to continue their studies。咁佢咧就話咧，政府咧係即係係有人咧係有個預期咧，佢睇下先，唔係。sorry， 政府咧係有個預期咧，大學咧係會同一啲咧進修嘅學院咧，佢哋去去 collaborate， 咁咧就令到一啲學生咧，可能有少少好似喺香港嘅毅進啊嗰啲咁樣啦，佢讀完咗頭一年、第二年嘅課程之後咧，佢點再銜接落去再繼續升學啊？咁佢就話咧，大學咧同埋一啲進修嘅學院咧，佢哋咧就應該咧會合作咧，令到咧呢啲學生如果想再進修嘅話咧，就會更加容易啦。The changes announced on Monday only apply to England, as education is devolved across the rest of the UK。咁佢話咧，星期一佢哋公布嘅呢一啲修訂咧，只係會喺英格蘭嗰一度推行嘅啫。佢話因為咧教育方面嘅事情咧就係 devolved， 咁咧就即係咧係向外分散去處理啊。咁佢話咧喺呢個 United Kingdom 即係咩啊？即係喺英國嘅關於教育嘅事務咧，係由各方面佢哋本土嘅政府咧，佢哋自己去負責嘅嚇。Tuition fees in Wales were increased last year to the same level as England, £9,535, a few weeks after the announcement for England was made。咁佢咧舉個例啦，佢話咧喺威爾斯嗰一度嘅學費咧，其實舊年咧就已經增加咗咧，就同英格蘭係睇齊嘅，就係去到咧。就係咧喺英格蘭佢公布咗會增加之後咧，佢過咗 a few weeks， 過咗幾個禮拜咧，佢哋咧就公布咗佢哋會增加咁樣啦。Tuition fees in Northern Ireland were £4,750 in 2024 to 25, with the economy minister there ruling out any increases above the price of inflation in May。咁佢咧就再講咧喺北愛爾蘭嗰度嘅學費咧係2024至25年嘅學費咧係4750磅嘅。咁同埋咧個經濟大臣 economy minister 咧就喺嗰度咧有講到咧，佢話咧排除咗即係之後嘅增加咧係會高過通脹 ，rule out 咧係排除咗咁解。佢喺5月咧就排除咗呢一個可能性。佢話咧，我哋之後嘅增加咧係唔會高過通脹。Scottish students do not pay any tuition fees to go to university in Scotland。 跟住啦。佢話咧喺蘇格蘭嗰度咧，啲蘇去上大學咧係唔需要俾任何學費㗎。咁咧，你哋不如搬去蘇。咁多啦，關於大學嘅學費係啦，大家如果有可以喺個 group 度問啦，或者係呢度你喺 comment box 嗰度問都得。